Hello, Namaste and welcome to KR Notes. Today I am sharing my experience with changing bank details for your mutual fund accounts. I love sharing technical knowledge on the internet. You must be wondering what is technical all about this video. Well, here I like the online image processing piece which is implemented by the mutual fund agency. Let's go back and try to understand how this requirement arose for me. I have done automation for online payments like loan EMIs, utility bills, and mutual funds using bank mandates. One fine day, some of the Indian banks started merging. In this case, Vijaya Bank merged with Bank of Baroda. Due to this, bank account number and IFSC code got changed for me. The change in the bank details impacted with my existing ECS and bank mandate. I had to update the bank details with the mutual fund company. In my case, for my mutual fund account, I had to remove Vijaya Bank and add Bank of Baroda. The Computer Age Management Services, which is well known as CAMS, came to my rescue. I can update the bank details online without visiting the bank. Moreover, I don't have to bother about social distancing in the current pandemic situation. Visit the CAMS online website link as shared on the screen. At the time of recording this video, the CAMS online website is redirecting to new.camsonline.com. A security tip here: do not forget to ensure the security lock icon, which indicates that the website is secured and safe to use. On the home page of CAMS online website, accept the disclaimer and click on Proceed button. If you have patience to read the terms and conditions, please go through it. But I am damn sure none of you will be interested in reading the terms and conditions. On the next screen, under the Service Request section, choose the Change of Bank Mandate option. You will be provided with summary of steps to change the bank mandate, which are pretty simple to understand. Serial number 5 needs some documentation which needs to be made by you. Let's check this out later. Click on Change Bank Mandate button. In the next screen, select the Let's Begin button. Here is the first step. Enter your PAN number. The dialog box here provides friendly note to get some documents ready for upload. It contains a very detailed guidelines. I have downloaded this and just sharing you a glimpse of it. The guidelines are pretty simple. You need color photographs or colored scan image of your old bank check and new bank check. Ensure that the file size is not more than 5 MB. And make sure the check have your name well printed along with the account details. There is also a good do's and don'ts which are explained in the guidelines which I am flashing on this video. This includes the image position and the image quality. Okay, back to step 1. I have entered my PAN number here and clicked on the next step. In the second step, I select the mutual fund company where I want to make this change, and in this case it's Tata Mutual Fund. Then the third step, I choose the mode to receive OTP. I enter the OTP and move to the next step. In the fourth step, you should see your old bank details here. In my case, it is Vijaya Bank. Then comes the fifth step where I choose my folio number. If you have more than one folio number, you will get the details here. Please select the correct folio number where you need to make changes. The 6 steps involves uploading the old check. Once the check is uploaded, CAMS Online website will process the image and bring up all the metadata from the check image. Technically, I found this feature working pretty well. I'm happy with it. Seventh step, upload the new check. The new bank's check can be uploaded here. Once it's uploaded, you will see the metadata pulled from the image. Again, I loved the accuracy of this feature. Eighth step, there is some bank mandate which will happen online, and finally you will see the final results. Everything happened instantly for me. Just few minutes later, I was able to transact with my new bank on the mutual fund website. Once again, I loved this online service which worked for me without any problem. I hope you use this feature if you have any similar requirement with you. Please do subscribe to my channel to get future updates on my new videos that I post here. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Bye bye.